Greetings with peace, viewers. Basil leaves are a popular culinary herb that is widely used in cooking, particularly in Italian and Thai cuisine. Basil is also used in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, such as headaches, coughs, and indigestion. Some people also believe that basil has spiritual or symbolic significance, and it is sometimes used in rituals or as a symbol of love or good luck. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Basil has several potential health benefits, including Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Basil contains essential oils, including eugenol and rosmarinic acid, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with several chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Number 2. Antioxidant activity. Basil is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. These helps protect the body against damage from harmful molecules called free radicals, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Number 3. Antibacterial and antiviral activity. Basil contains essential oils which have been shown to have antibacterial and antiviral activity. These properties may help fight infections caused by bacteria and viruses, including the common cold and flu. Number 4. Cardiovascular health. Basil may help improve cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Basil extract may help lower levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can contribute to the development of heart disease. Additionally, basil contains compounds that may help relax blood vessels, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 5. Digestive health. Basil may help improve digestion and relieve digestive discomfort, such as bloating and constipation. Basil contains compounds that may help stimulate the digestive system, including eugenol and rosmarinic acid. Additionally, basil has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for indigestion and other digestive issues. Number 6. Stress relief. Basil has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for stress relief and relaxation. The essential oils in basil, including eugenol, linalool, and citral, may help promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. Number 7. Anti-cancer properties. Basil contains compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. For example, rosmarinic acid has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in test tube studies. Additionally, basil contains flavonoids and other antioxidants that may help protect against DNA damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Number 8. Pain relief. Basil may help reduce pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis and rheumatism. The essential oils in basil may help block pain receptors in the body and reduce inflammation. Number 9. Respiratory health. Basil may help improve respiratory health by reducing inflammation and fighting infections. Basil helps reduce inflammation in the lungs, which can help relieve symptoms of asthma and other respiratory conditions. Additionally, basil has been traditionally used as a natural remedy for coughs, colds, and other respiratory infections. Number 10. Skin health. Basil may help improve skin health by reducing inflammation and fighting infections. The essential oils in basil help reduce inflammation and irritation in the skin, relieve conditions like acne and eczema. It is also used as a natural remedy for insect bites and other skin irritations. Nutrients of basil: vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Risk of basil: allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to basil or other members of the mint family such as oregano or thyme and may experience symptoms such as skin rash, hives, itching, or difficulty breathing. Blood thinning. Basil contains compounds that may have blood-thinning effects, which could increase the risk of bleeding in people who are taking blood-thinning medications or who have bleeding disorders. Interactions with medications. Basil may interact with certain medications, such as blood pressure medications or diabetes medications. It is important to talk to your healthcare provider before taking basil as a supplement if you are taking any medications. Digestive issues. Some people may experience digestive issues such as upset stomach, gas, or diarrhea when consuming large amounts of basil or taking basil supplements. It is always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before taking any herbs or supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can help you determine whether basil is safe and appropriate for you to use. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.